A new morning. A new beginning. With every sunrise, Americans rise to meet the challenges of the day. The United States economic machine is an inseparable story linked to and driven by mobility. We move forward. It's who we are. Drivers of innovation, efficiency and optimization in design, ergonomics, and quality. First light. Dawn is here. We rise to greet the day. At home near Atlanta, Georgia, light breaks the darkness. Blickle USA is here, ready for the call of America's industries. Every day, America's need for mobility grows, and trust is placed with Blickle USA. We innovate mobility. When the sun rises on America, the afternoon arrives in southwest Germany. At the Blickle Global Headquarters, located in Rosenfeld, Germany, the independent family business of Blickle looks back on a more than 65-year success story in its third generation. The Blickle brand name stands for uncompromising quality, high product availability, innovation, and delivery performance, all supported with Blickle's worldwide presence. Highly motivated employees develop optimal product selections for a wide variety of applications.
Blickle is the premier manufacturer of wheels and casters, and that's why we're known for our innovation and known for our quality. With over 17 subsidiaries around the world, we serve 120 different countries, and that's why you can count on us. Here in the USA, same standard of excellence. We are Blickle USA.
We invite you to join the Blickle family to experience the innovation of mobility. Customer satisfaction is Blickle's top priority and the foundation of the unique standard product offering of more than 30,000 wheels and casters and countless individual solutions. As markets change and mobility solutions evolve, our exceptional team of material handling experts stand ready.
Our focus on training and quality allows us to offer a 4-year warranty, the best in the industry.
Blickle quality meets or exceeds measurable standards such as ISO and DIN, American National Standards Institute, and the Institute of Caster and Wheel Manufacturers. Blickle USA, America's choice for wheels and casters, outstanding logistics concepts, and impressive storage capacities. The result? Inventory is in stock to support American industry's requirements to be on time and on budget. The 24-hour quick ship program is available to every customer across the USA. A promise has been made to the U.S. market to be ready there when you need us. Our investment represents the best we have to offer to be there when and where you need us.
Blickle Casters and Wheels. Today for a better tomorrow.